Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, get a dent puller kit, 70% isopropyl, a hair dryer, and a microfiber. Clean the dent thoroughly and outline it with tape so you keep focus. Heat the dent for 20-30 seconds to raise surface temperature. This helps the glue bond and reduces paint stress. Once warm, press a mid-size glue tab to the center of the dent and hold steady for 10-15 seconds. This sets the stage for a controlled pull. Once the tab is set, secure the puller and apply even tension. Pull in short increments, then release slowly to check progress. You want gradual movement. This reduces metal stress and keeps the finish intact. If the dent barely moves, reheat for 10-15 seconds and press the tab again, or swap to a larger tab for more surface contact. Make multiple small pulls from center to edge so the metal relaxes back evenly, and make sure you do not twist the puller. Once the dent is mostly out, remove the glue using a plastic scraper and isopropyl. Do not use metal scrapers that scratch. Then polish the area with a stainless cleaner and microfiber to restore sheen, and check the door seal and hinge alignment to ensure operation. If a small depression remains, repeat the controlled pulls or use progressively larger tabs. Troubleshooting tip: if the metal won't move after several gentle attempts, stop and consult a pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.